Modern Volkswagen cars are packed with hidden features most owners never use, not because they aren't useful, but because dealers rarely explain them. Some of these features improve safety, others save money, and a few will completely change how you use your car every day. Let's uncover 11 hidden Volkswagen features that might already be sitting in your car right now. One of the most overlooked features is key fob window control. On many Volkswagens, holding the unlock button rolls all windows down, while holding the lock button rolls them back up. This is perfect for quickly cooling the car on hot days without even opening the door. Another hidden feature is automatic mirror folding. Many VW models automatically fold the side mirrors when you lock the car if the setting is enabled. This protects mirrors in tight parking spaces and gives a quick visual confirmation that the car is locked. Volkswagen also includes a comfort turn signal feature, so with just a light tap of the turn signal stalk, you get 3 to 5 blinks instead of just one. This really makes lane changes smoother and safer, without having to fully engage the signal. Most drivers don't realize Volkswagen headlights can actually stay on after you exit the car. This coming home and leaving home lighting feature lights up the area around your car at night, which helps you see obstacles, puddles or steps when you're walking away or coming back. There's also a hidden rear wiper behavior that, honestly, many owners never notice. When you put the car in reverse with the front wipers on, the rear wiper activates automatically. This just improves rear visibility in rain, and you don't even have to think about it. Another powerful but, underused feature is the tire pressure reset system. After inflating your tires, resetting the TPMS tells the car what correct pressure looks like. Without resetting it, the warning system becomes inaccurate and, honestly, pretty unreliable. Volkswagen climate control systems also, hide an efficiency trick. Many models allow separate driver and passenger temperature zones to sync with just one button. This improves comfort and actually reduces unnecessary system strain. Here's a feature that protects your brakes. Electronic parking brakes in many VW models automatically release when you press the accelerator. No manual disengaging required, which really reduces wear and helps prevent driving mistakes. Volkswagen steering systems often include speed-sensitive steering. At low speeds, steering becomes lighter for parking. At higher speeds, it stiffens for stability. Most drivers feel it but never realize it's an intentional feature. Another hidden safety feature is brake drying. In wet conditions, the system lightly applies the brakes periodically to remove moisture. This improves braking response during sudden stops in rain. Volkswagen also includes a hidden fuel-saving feature called coasting mode in some automatic and DSG models. When you're cruising, the transmission actually disengages to let the car roll more freely, which improves fuel efficiency without the driver even noticing. The biggest mistake Volkswagen owners make is assuming their car is simple. These vehicles are software-driven machines, packed with features that are either buried inside menus or activated automatically. Not knowing about them doesn't mean they aren't working. It just means you're not really benefiting from them. Understanding these features helps you drive smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Plus, it actually prevents unnecessary repairs that can happen from misuse or misunderstanding. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe to Gear Specs. Your support helps the channel grow and lets me keep breaking down real car features that, honestly, dealers never explain, so you can get the most out of every mile you drive.